Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup and secure Laravel app backups on VPS with Laravel Forge detailed guide step by step clearly. First, log into your VPS using SSH. Use your terminal and type SSH username at your _VPS_IP. Replace username with your actual username and your _VPS_IP with the IP address of your VPS. Once logged in, ensure that your Laravel application is running smoothly. Navigate to the root directory of your Laravel application. Use the command cd/path/ to /your /laravel/app to access your app directory. Next, let's create a backup of your app. Use Laravel's artisan command to create a backup. Type php artisan backup run in the terminal. This command will generate a backup of your application files and database. Make sure you have Backup Manager installed in your Laravel app for this command to work. After the backup process completes, locate the generated backup files. Typically, these files are stored in the storage/app/backup directory. Now, let's secure these backup files. First, connect to your Laravel Forge dashboard. Select your server from the server list. Navigate to the site settings where your Laravel application is hosted. Set up a secure storage location for your backups. You may consider using an external service like Amazon S3 or another cloud storage option. Generate API keys if you choose to use cloud storage. Once you have the credentials, open your .env file in your Laravel app. Add your cloud storage credentials to the relevant configuration variables. For Amazon S3, fill in AWS_access_key_ID, AWS_secret_access_key, and AWS_default_region. Make sure to specify the bucket name where your backups will be stored. Next, implement a schedule for automated backups. Open the app/console kernel.php file in your Laravel application. Schedule the backup command using the schedule method. You can set the frequency, such as daily or weekly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.